This method is called side application. It's perfect for those that are a little squeamish. It does require a bit of manoeuvring, so it's best to practice by watching this video a few times through. Here's how this one works. Wash your hands first to avoid getting dirt on your lens, and dry them so you can get the best grip. Identify your dominant hand, as this is the one you'll use to insert the lens. For most people, it's their right hand. Take the blister packet and turn the lip away from you, pulling it open. Press your pointing finger down to the bottom of the blister pack, then slide the lens out of the packet towards your thumb. Cup your other hand and point your finger to your palm, letting go of the lens. Then, sweep it back up from the cup of your hand onto your finger, ready to be placed into your eye. Set up your body so that your dominant hand is closest to the mirror. For example, if you're right-handed, that'd be the right side. The lens will go in the eye furthest away from the mirror. Hook your hand over your head and pull the top of your eyelid and eyelashes up, maximizing white eye space. Look over your nose and into the mirror, tilting your head slightly towards it. Use the middle finger of the hand holding the lens to pull down the bottom of your eyelid. Look into the mirror and pop the lens from your index finger onto the white part of your eye. If it feels like the lens is latched, go you! Face and look forward. You might want to roll your eye around a little to get rid of those pesky air bubbles. For the other eye, hit replay, but face the opposite way. It gets so much easier with practice, so don't be put off if it doesn't work the first time. If you've tried a few times but still no luck, you might notice the lens getting drier. That's totally normal. Just pop it back in the solution to get more moisture before trying again. If you're a dailies wearer, you can use the solution in the blister pack. But it's not just the lens that needs a little break. Your eyes do too. If they're getting teary or a little red, just take a break, make a cup of tea, and get back to it when you're ready. There's nothing worse than keeping at it when your eyes are sore. If this method wasn't the one for you, there are still 2 other ways to try. Check out video 1, applying front on, or video 3, looking up application. And don't forget, our optical experts are on call 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. So give them a call if you're still struggling. Find their contact info in the caption below.